Understanding alternate day fasting, a new approach to health. Alternate day fasting, or ADF, is a straightforward eating pattern. You eat normally one day and fast the next. Some consume around 500 calories on fasting days, while others opt for water, black coffee, or tea. This cycle can trigger remarkable changes in weight management and metabolic health. ADF encourages your body to switch from burning glucose to tapping into fat reserves. This metabolic flexibility is a key indicator of good health. ADF influences various hormonal pathways, crucial for hunger, fat storage, and energy expenditure. Think of it like resetting a computer, making your body more efficient. Unlike traditional diets, ADF emphasizes metabolic rhythm and hormonal balance. Many find ADF more sustainable than constant calorie restriction. Feast days feel normal, reducing the feeling of deprivation. This approach isn't just a fad, it's rooted in the science of how our bodies function. We are built to withstand periods without food. Embracing this can unlock significant benefits for fat loss, overall well-being, and longevity. ADF offers a different perspective, one that can be a game changer for many struggling with their weight. It's about timing, not just restricting calories. The big switch, how your body changes energy sources on ADF. After a meal, your body uses glucose for energy. Insulin helps shuttle this glucose into cells. With constant eating, excess glucose gets stored as glycogen and fat. ADF challenges this glucose-dependent state. On fasting days, your body stops the continuous supply of glucose. Initially, it uses circulating glucose from your last meal. As hours pass, it turns to stored glycogen. Glycogen is your body's sugar stash, primarily in the liver and muscles. As glycogen depletes, your body signals to find alternative fuel. It begins fat breakdown, or lipolysis, for energy. This metabolic switch trains your body to burn fat efficiently. ADF encourages this transition, improving metabolic flexibility. This switch from sugar to fat burning is central to ADF's success. It's a natural process, providing the right conditions for regular and effective fat burning. ADF helps your body become better at utilizing fatty acids for fuel. Phase 1: burning through your sugar stores, glycogen depletion. During a fast, your body depletes glycogen stores. The liver holds around 100 or 120 grams of glycogen, muscles around 400 grams. Your body first uses liver glycogen to maintain blood sugar levels. This process begins within a few hours of your last meal. Glycogen depletion varies based on initial stores and activity level. Most deplete liver glycogen within 24 hours of fasting. Once low, your body signals for fat breakdown. Initial hunger pangs or energy dips are normal. Staying hydrated helps manage these feelings. Glycogen depletion triggers fat breakdown. It's like clearing out the pantry before using long-lasting goods. Successfully navigating this phase sets the stage for fat-burning effects. It's the gateway to accessing stubborn fat stores. Phase 2. Tapping into fat reserves. The power of lipolysis. Once glycogen is low, your body shifts to fat reserves. Lipolysis breaks down triglycerides into glycerol and free fatty acids. These fatty acids are used for energy by muscles and heart. Hormonal changes during fasting initiate lipolysis. Insulin levels fall while adrenaline and glucagon rise. This hormonal environment promotes fat burning. ADF encourages your body to use stored fat for fuel. Lipolysis is upregulated during fasting, training your body to burn fat. This increased efficiency in fat metabolism is key to a healthy body composition. ADF provides the necessary window for sustained fat burning. It's about changing where your energy comes from. Phase 3. Introducing ketones, your brain's superfuel. As lipolysis continues, the liver converts fatty acids into ketone bodies. Ketones are an alternative fuel source for muscles and brain. The rise in ketones begins after 16 hours of fasting. Beta-hydroxybutyrate is an efficient brain fuel. Ketones might produce fewer reactive oxygen species than glucose. This can lead to mental clarity and focus. Nutritional ketosis is a natural metabolic state. ADF cycles you in and out of ketosis, enhancing metabolic flexibility. Your body becomes more versatile and resilient. Insulin's role, how ADF helps control this key fat-storing hormone. Insulin helps cells absorb glucose and promotes fat storage. High insulin levels inhibit fat breakdown. ADF lowers insulin levels on fasting days. Low insulin allows fat cells to release stored fatty acids. This promotes fat loss and improves insulin sensitivity. High insulin levels can lead to insulin resistance. ADF helps reset insulin signaling, improving metabolic health. It shifts your body out of constant storage mode. ADF rebalances your energy regulation system. It's about the profound impact on key hormones like insulin. ADF in the spotlight, comparing it to traditional calorie restriction. Traditional calorie restriction involves daily calorie cutting. ADF offers a different approach, often easier to sustain. Studies show ADF can lead to comparable or greater weight loss. Feast days provide a psychological break. ADF has unique metabolic benefits like improved insulin sensitivity. It may better preserve lean muscle mass. ADF elicits specific physiological responses. It's a structured eating pattern, not just eating less. ADF can be more effective and healthier for fat loss. Protecting your muscles. The importance of HGH and strength training. ADF increases human growth hormone, HGH production. HGH helps preserve muscle and promotes fat utilization. Fasting can increase HGH levels significantly. Strength training is crucial for muscle preservation. Resistance exercise signals muscles to grow and strengthen. Combining ADF with strength training protects muscle mass. Schedule workouts thoughtfully around fasting. Ensure adequate protein intake on feasting days. ADF and strength training target fat loss while preserving muscle. It's a winning strategy for long-term success. ADF provides a hormonal environment for muscle preservation. Cellular spring cleaning. The magic of autophagy with ADF. ADF triggers autophagy, a vital housekeeping mechanism. Autophagy breaks down old, damaged cellular components. Fasting ramps up autophagy, conserving resources and removing waste. This process maintains cellular health and function. Enhanced autophagy protects against age-related diseases. It improves immune function and cellular efficiency. ADF promotes regular cellular renewal. This contributes to long-term health and vitality. Autophagy is a hidden gem of fasting. It's about promoting overall cellular well-being. ADF leads to a stronger, more resilient cellular environment. Energizing your cells, mitochondrial health and metabolic boost. Mitochondria generate most of the cell's energy. ADF improves mitochondrial health through biogenesis. Fasting signals cells to become more energy efficient. This triggers the formation of new mitochondria. Autophagy removes old, damaged mitochondria. Ketones are an efficient fuel for mitochondria. ADF boosts metabolism by improving mitochondrial function. Healthier mitochondria enhance energy production. ADF optimizes your body from the inside out. It's about enhancing energy and overall cellular health. Final thoughts embracing ADF for lasting fat loss and vitality. ADF reshapes your metabolism, promoting fat burning. It encourages metabolic flexibility for sustained energy. ADF impacts crucial hormones like insulin, improving sensitivity. Scientific evidence supports ADF's effectiveness. ADF stimulates autophagy, promoting cellular renewal. It enhances mitochondrial health, boosting energy. ADF is a journey. Listen to your body and stay hydrated. It's about working with your body's natural rhythms. ADF unlocks your body's ability to burn fat and rejuvenate cells. It's a powerful tool for lasting fat loss and vitality.